A very peaceful good morning to Honorable Sahid sir and my dear friends. My name is Deepak Kumar from standard 11th. I am standing here to debate with us.
A very beautiful good morning to all of you and my respected Sahid sir. And my name is Samir from Digwara, and here we are for debate, and our topic is advantage and disadvantage of mobile phone.
Mobile is very important for everybody.
Yeah, but it's also many harmful uses.
How can you say that? Mobile is harmful for everybody?
Because it causes radiation, due to which many species of birds and different type of animals have gone vanished.
Do you know mobile reach all types of information to all the person?
Yeah, but it also causes many harmful effects.
If you see the industry also, it gives a very harmful causes to all the person, and the person will be get so many types of disease. You know or not?
Yeah, I know.
But why you are say the mobile say many types of radiation? Mobile I favor if you, because mobile say all types of radiation, because and he is a very good knowledge to all the body, all the person.
But mobile affect a person individually, but factories do not affect individually.
Why? Factory gives a very harmful gases which are affect the ozone layer. Do you know or not?
Yeah, I know it.
Because ozone layer is a very if the ozone layer have a more difficulty, then we will die for radiation.
Yes, then we can stop running of factories.
It depend on government or not?
Yeah, it is depend on government, but using of cell phone is depend on us.
Many of the students are using mishap of mobile. You know.
Yeah, they are misusing the cell phone.
Mobile is very important for everybody, and it is very important for farmer. Many of the farmer are using the many types of facilities about how we are plowing the field.
Yeah, but it is useful for farmers, but in other way it is also harmful for farmers, because as you can see that the insects which destroy their crops, and the insects were eating.
No, you are wrong. It is no relationship between mobile and insects, because insects are also grown by the chemicals.
Okay, let me explain. Yeah, insects destroy the crops of farmers, and as you know that there are many types of birds who eat insects and help the farmers to grow their crop. And if you continue uses of mobile, then there will be very few species of birds will be left, and the amount of insects will be increased as a higher level, and it will result in shortage of crops or food.
I know, but when the mobile have over the radiation, then the no effective about work in my view. But he has also affected the student. Many of the students are mad with the help of PUBG. Do you not?
Yeah, I know. Then why it's from your side.
It is the types of cages to the student. When the student are playing PUBG and all are look like a mad person.
Yeah, it's addiction.
It is depend on you.
Yeah, it's depend on us, because we are using it now.
Mobile is very important for everybody who are in hospital, who are in college, schools. All the students are using the mobile and get online study in with the help of mobile. And I see in town and village also many of the students are misuse the mobile. They use the PUBG and giving the mobile to the parents and get another thing in the mobile, and many of the students are misuse the behavior of mobile.
As you say that students have been addicted to cell phone, so this is depend on their parents and their own responsibilities, because we are taking it in use. Can you imagine the society before 20 years?
Yeah, it depend on parents, but parents have no more dependent on you, because parents have give opportunity to you, and then you can get a right way from the mobile.
No, you are saying that, but it's true in this generation. But before 20 years there was no cell phone, and people and students also study and become the topper.
On that time and the government will be very struck to the teachers, and that time and the teacher will be not struck to the student, so that a student will be using the mobile more and more in our society and gets a success in our life.
Yeah, this depend on our society. But if you say that mobile phone is without mobile phone one cannot study, this is false.
Because mobile is a very important communication to get any types of communications to the student.
Yeah, it is very important for communication, but it is necessary only when we use it only for communication. But today we are using it for entertainment, conversation, and I mean to say that we use it for many type of purposes, but its main purpose is to only communication.
Suppose that you have no mobile, how can you communicate to your parents?
So postcard or
How many days take in postcard? Tell me.
15 days.
And if you have mobile, then you get 1 second to reach your and to meet your parents.
Yeah, that's good and that's a plus point. But why don't we use it for only communication? We use it for
And
other purposes.
you are also use the video call also.
Yeah.
You are also you are telling about we are send by postcard, and if you are sending any letter by the postcard, then you take a 15 days.
Yeah, it takes much time, but
Then tell me, it is good or bad?
it's bad. But but when we use smartphone or cell phone, then it is also harmful for the society, as you know that.
Why? If I am misuse the mobile, then it's harmful for society. If I use very useful to the society, why the society gets harmful?
Can you imagine what we are lefting for our upcoming generation?
Many of the students are reading online class. It is harmful or not?
Yeah, it's important, but it also causes different type of harm.
Then you tell the mobile is a disadvantage of any person.
Yeah, it also causes many disadvantages. It has also many disadvantages.
The only disadvantage of mobile gets a radiation,
No.
and the eyes will be radiation is so low. That is the one disadvantage.
Do you know that using much more cell phone cause irritation, headache, and sometimes cancer also?
You
brain tumor.
you are also use the mobile. How many times your brain will be headache?
Yeah, if you used it for a long period of time, then you get headache.
Yeah, suppose that you are working for 10 hours,
Yeah.
and you are working 15 hours, then your body will be get rested or not?
Yeah, but if you work physically for 10 or 5 hours, then you will not get a headache. But when you use cell phone for 2 or 3 hours, then you will definitely get headache.
Then mobile have capacity to do work 5 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours, and if you are doing many hours, then your brain will be like a headache and your body will be restless like now.
Yeah.
Then how can you say that mobile is harmful for us?
I'm telling that mobile is harmful because it causes irritation, headache, and different types of diseases. As you know that you have felt it.
No,
You are not
in my village there is no many types of headache and diseases are found in my village. How can you say that?
Because they are the newcomers. They are using cell phone for now or for a short period of time.
No, you are telling very wrong way, because mobile is a very important thing and very important communication to do anything in our life. You see, many of the company and vacancy are and many of the company are introduce the main type of vacancy in the computer. If you have sent the mail to the company, you have need a mobile or not?
We need a mobile because we make it our daily. We make it our habitual. Because we make it our.
Suppose that you have no mobile, how can you send a mail?
No need, because we can send a postcard. It take a time, but
In the generation of 5G, how can you send a letter to the company? A company will be accept or not?
Before 20 years, it also happened.
No, it is wrong way. Company will the new method. In 1 hour, all the documents were submitted. You go on Google and search it.
So because we are making it our habit, that's not our habit.
No,
We are making it our daily use or habit. If you want to avoid the use of cell phone, then we can. But we don't want to do it. We just want to
Then why you
and we are being lazy.
Then why you are tell mobile is very harmful for us?
Yes, I'm giving the reason now.
What reason? What reason?
Because because it save our time. That's why we have been lazy. And
Many of the students with the help of mobile work from home
Yeah.
job and also do work from home. Then why the my eyes are not restless?
yeah, it helps people students to work from home. But do you think that what it save us? What it save for future?
And it depend on her body and body.
No, I'm asking about the next generation. What is it saving for the next generation? We are just destroying the next generation by using the cell phone from in this generation.
It depend on her parents the giving the mobile. Okay.
No. Our parents also use it now.
The parents use her in the right way and only use a call one place to another place and any types of message will be check her and no types of work our parents are doing in mobile.
No, they do it. They do it.
What your parents do in your mobile? Please tell me.
They work it from.
What work from?
They work it from home because their offices have been closed. During the
Then your parents will be headache from the mobile.
yeah, they got irritated. As you can say that during the lockdown.
Then why you are not tell your father?
Yeah.
Then why you are not tell your father ki don't use a mobile?
Because that's the.
Then why you are not tell your father don't use the mobile? He also use the post letter also.
Yeah, because that was his. That was his need.
You are also tell I am use the post letter also. Then why you are not tell your father ki use post letter?
Because that was difficult during lockdown.
Then it is very difficult to the companies also ki you are sending a letter to the company.
Yeah, listen. You are talking about the current generation. It is also It is much useful in this generation. But if you look for the upcoming generation, you will see that it is destroying the next generation.
Not destroying the next generation. If you are misuse the mobile, then he destroy the next generation.
If you use a cell phone while riding, you may get accident.
Why? If I am riding perfectly, then why I am get accident? Tell me.
You have seen a lot of cases. You have seen lot of cases happen by the users of cell phone.
When the mobile in my pocket, then how can we accident here? If I have Bluetooth also, and then the phone will become and get received by the help of Bluetooth. How can we accident in the data police?
If you don't mind, then I would like to tell you thing that people use Bluetooth and they listen songs or use cell phone, but
It is
accident.
It is a right way to to receive the song and drive the any types of car and four wheeler very funly.
Yeah, it is right way, but you can see that it also distract the person from its own path.
If you are listening the song, then your mind you're not educated, and many types of work are remember that time.
Can you listen a song for five hours through Bluetooth?
No, only 1 hour or 2 hours.
Why you can't hear?
I have no time to listen the 5 hours and 10 hours.
Suppose if you hear.
No, I have no time. No, I have no time.
Suppose.
No.
I'm telling about to imagine. Just imagine that you are listening song for 5 hours through Bluetooth.
Then what we do? And
Then
if you
what
are,
will happen with you?
if I am listening 5 hours by the help of Bluetooth in low voice, then no types of diseases are found
If
here.
the voice, then what will happen?
Then I am and the volume of the mobile we are so low, then not happens that time.
Yeah, but I'm telling about what will happen that time if you use it for 5 hours continuously.
And I also listening the song 5 hours continuously, but I have no get type of any disease.
Have you heard it ever?
Yes.
For 5 hours continuously?
Yes.
Have you didn't get you any type of
No.
effect? Bad effect?
If your body maintain you are good, very very good, then you have no disease about the sound erection.
Do you like to watch news?
Yeah.
Have you ever heard that mobile causes different types of diseases or affect the people? Or
Yes, I look every day.
you said, then why you are saying that using mobile is very good?
Mobile is very good because if you have so time and many of the person have a very 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 long time and you have a 13 hours and many of the people have a 1 hour, then what we do? You are doing in mobile and gets news from the mobile and go one place to another place, and many of the person have a more time to sit in the bench and a chair also and reading all news by the help of newspaper.
Yeah, it reduces our time in which any work, but it also,
In that time he are doing any types of job also in that time.
But it also causes radiation. Nah, have you know that? And it radiation causes different types of diseases. I already told you about that.
Yeah, I agree with you. He received many types of diseases, but it is not harmful for us.
It is harmful for us.
No, yeah, no harmful for us because it is very important for all the body.
If we go in deep, we know that it has also many advantages and disadvantages. Do you agree with it?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Then I don't think that we should much conversation about it, and we should over it.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yeah, I also agree with you.
Yeah.
Yes, and I want. Do you want to say anything?
Yeah, nice to meet you, and I'm very happy with you. You are a very good student and
Also-
speaking also.
I'm also good. I also feel very good to have debate with you, and I would like to invite my Sahid sir for saying something. Sahid sir, please come.
Just as you watched, both the students performed very nicely and debated a lot of things in the favor of advantage, in the favor of disadvantage, and I was very glad to hear that both the students are very intelligent in speaking and in debating. Thank you so much for watching the video.